Welcome back, friends. Now we'll see entity relationship diagram of relationship sets with attributes, how it is represented graphically. So you can observe instructor entity shown by using a rectangle, and in rectangle the attributes of that entity instructor are mentioned. Similarly, student entity and student entity attributes ID, name, and total credits are mentioned in the rectangle student. And there is a diamond present between these two entities, entity instructor and entity student. And we have seen that entity relationship set advisor having the attribute, and attribute is debt. So this is how we can show a ER diagram of relationship sets with attributes. So advisor is shown as a relationship set with diamond, and there is an attribute which is connected by dotted line to a date as an attribute rectangle. This is how we can represent entity relationship diagram of relationship sets with attributes. Now we'll see the degree of a relationship set. Degree of relationship set involves two entity sets. When the degree is 2, and when there are two entity sets present in the relationship set, then those are called as a binary relationship sets. Most relationship sets in the database system are binary. So there are two entity sets and they are having a relationship set present between these two entity sets. Then we call it as a degree 2, and the relationship set which is present between the two entity sets is called as a binary relationship set. And most relationship sets in the database system are binary. The relationships between more than two entity sets are very rare, but they can be present. E. Example we'll see now. Students work on research projects. If students are working on research projects under the guidance of an instructor, then the relationship project underscore guide is a ternary relationship between instructor, student, and project where there are more than two entity sets. We'll see diagrammatically. Most relationship sets are binary. There are very few occasions when it is more convenient to represent relationships as a non-binary relationship sets. And here is an example, the ER diagram with a ternary relationship sets. So there are two entities, instructor with attributes ID, name, salary, instructor, student with ID, name, total credits, and the relationship set present between these two is a project underscore guide, which is represented diagram in diamond. And on which project they are working is shown as a separate entity as a project, and that is a third entity. And project guide is again acting as a relationship set present between instructor, student, and project entity. So there are more than two entities present and a relationship set is present. Then such relationship set is called as a ternary relationship set or ternary relationship, and diagrammatically it is shown like this. And there will be very few occasions where it is more convenient to represent relationships as non-binary. But maximum time or most relationship sets will be binary in nature.